So what's going on, guys? Got the water brake cleaner because it still has an oil leak, I guess. It did not come from the little gasket. I think it's coming from the turbo line. I don't know if y'all can see that, but it does not have any like Teflon tape around it for nothing. So I'm gonna pull that out, put Teflon tape on all that. We got a little surprise too. Let's see if it's open. Of course not. But I did get something for this little cleavage here. Excuse the mess, but as y'all can see, I don't know if y'all can see that. Yes, sir. We got injectors for Clifford. These are 2200s, so we can because the thousands are already maxed out. So we need 2200s for more boost, more power. Hopefully, we're gonna test fit the 2200s with the top hats I got, and see if they fit and prime it a few times, see if it doesn't leak, and if we're all good and I fix the oil leak too, we're gonna hop back on the dyno and hopefully turn it up a little more. Probably put it on boost by gear this time. But let me find the bag with the adapters real quick. So these are the 2200s compared to the 1000s. These are shorter because they are for a K series. Those were for B series. That's why they have the little adapter on it. Oh, y'all can see that. Where's that little adapter? But I'm basically test fitting the top hats that I got for it. I got one in so far, and it looked to be like the same size as those. So hopefully I'm gonna put all of them in, put the rail on it, and prime it, and just see if it leaks fuel. If not, then I'll take the other ones. Well, gotta take these back out, and then put the thousands back in it, and then go get retuned for the 2200s. But let me do that real quick. I'll be right back. So all done. They fit pretty nice. I don't know if they like fit pretty tight, but they fit snug, and they don't leak at all. I primed the fuel system like 5 times, so that's good news. Gotta switch back to the thousands now, because obviously I'm not tuned for the 2200s. But I don't know if y'all ever seen anybody done injectors. I mean, they're pretty easy. I'll show y'all. So mine are on this one. They're 12 millimeter, and there's two. One, two. Usually I run a filter here. I just haven't put it on. But this is gonna be fun. They're gonna splash all over, I think, because the fuel rail does have pressure. Hopefully not, So it's those two 12, and then doing injectors is really easy, to be honest. Does not involve, oh my god, any hard work at all. It's just that whenever these fall like into here or something, they're a pain in the butt. Not so much on the K series, but on the B series, because it's back there. All right, so we're back. Last 12. Now we gently, we'll take off the clips first, I guess you would say. These do matter. They're color match. I don't know if you can see that right here. So don't mix those up. I mean, it's really hard to mix them up because the hardness puts them at the same. All right, so I guess the video cut off because I didn't have any more memory. Look at how I had it rigged up right here. But after that, after the two nuts here and then there, and then doing the pigtails, you just yank this a little bit and they should come out like that, like so, with the turbo line. And there you go. There's all the injectors. We're gonna switch those out to the thousands again. We were just test fitting and seeing if there's any leaks or anything before we even go to the dyno. So if they don't, so we're gonna put the thousands back in it, save those 2200s, and probably gonna go get some Teflon tape to fix that issue right here. But I'll be right back. Damn chili bone. Watch the bumps, OG. Yeah, watch the steering too, man. This man crazy. I see you, chili bone. And better steering too, yeah. Almost turned us to the ditch and shit.
You know, good old basic guy.
Oh, look at the little single cab.
That stage 5 plus I got on the page.
God damn, what is that? Bro, maybe to be honest, that's something why you're steering yourself loose, maybe. You need a new steering rack, RG. When the fucking wheel hops like that, that's how it breaks the trans. That's why I'm like, fuck that. But once you just literally need better suspension and that's it. With better suspension and a good tire, oh, you'd be set.
Look at this place.
Yeah. Oh shit. Oh, there's your spot, man.
Oh, you son of a bitch. Never had the reverse part in it. Stage 6, like I said, bro.
Stage 6, this one. Whoa.
Right? It's all right.
Someone's rattling in the back, I think.